Good morning to all. Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 8th. Today we are going to start lesson number 3rd and part number 5. Our topic is lists and tables in HTML. So let's start. Attributes of table tag. Here are many different attributes. First is BG color. It is used for specify the background color for a table. Second is border. It specifies whether a border around the table is required or not. We can give the value 0 or 1. Next is cell padding. Specify the space between the cell wall and cell content. Next is cell spacing. Specify the space between the cells. Next is height and width. It specifies the height and width of a table. Cell padding and cell spacing. There are two important attributes called cell padding and cell spacing. Cell spacing specifies the space between the cells, while cell padding represents the distance between cell borders and the contents within a cell. So let's do a practical. In previous class, we make a table in HTML. This is our notepad file and this is our HTML file. Now I want a border in a table. So I use border tag. Go to table tag and type here border equal to, I give the border value in inverted comma. Border, suppose I type 1, close inverted comma. Save the program with Ctrl S. Go to your browser window and refresh your page. You can see the border around the name and roll number column. Now I want give a background color in a table, then give a space and type BG color. BG color equal to, again inverted comma, suppose I give the color yellow, inverted comma, close. Save file with Ctrl S. Again go to your browser window and refresh your page. You can see the color in table. Our next attribute is cell padding and cell spacing. I give here cell padding equal to inverted comma start. Suppose I give 20, inverted comma, close. With Ctrl S, save the file, go to browser window again and refresh your page. You can see the difference of the table. Cell padding specify the space between the cells, cell walls and the cell content. Now I use cell spacing. Suppose I here type cell spacing. Ctrl S, go to browser window and refresh it. It specifies the space between the cells. Now I want next attribute, height and width. Suppose I give the height equal to 200 and width equal to 300. Inverted comma close. Save file with Ctrl S again. Go to your browser window and refresh your page. You can see the difference. This is the practical of tables and their attributes. Thank you.